In today's video, I'm going to show you how to star files in Google Drive using Google Workspace for Business. Starring files is a simple but powerful way to stay organized, highlight important documents, and quickly access the items you use most. Whether you're managing projects, reviewing shared documents, or keeping track of essential files, this feature can really streamline your workflow. Let's walk through the process step by step so you can start using it confidently. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and going to the Google Drive website. Make sure you are signed into your Google Workspace account. If you are not logged in yet, click the Sign In button at the top right corner and enter your credentials. Once you're signed in, you'll land on the main Google Drive interface where all your folders and files are displayed. On the left side of the screen, click My Drive. This is the section where all your stored files appear, and depending on how much you work in Drive, it might feel a little crowded. That's exactly why the star feature is helpful. It allows you to highlight the documents that matter most so they never get lost in a long list of files. To star a file, hover your mouse over the item you want to mark. As you move across the file row, you'll see a small star icon appear to the right of the file name. It can be easy to miss the first time, but once you spot it, it's very simple to use. Click the star icon and it will turn solid, confirming that the file has been starred successfully. Once a file is starred, Google Drive automatically places it into a special category called Starred, which you can also find in the left side panel. Click on Starred and your view will instantly filter to show only the files you've marked. This makes it incredibly easy to navigate straight to your most important documents without scrolling through long lists or searching repeatedly. This feature is especially helpful for business environments where you may be juggling shared documents, team folders, or multiple ongoing projects. Starring ensures that your key files are always right where you need them. It's a small habit that can make a big difference in your daily productivity. As a helpful tip, try reviewing your starred files periodically. Over time, your priorities may change, and keeping this section clean ensures it stays useful rather than becoming another cluttered space. Removing a star is just as easy as adding one. Simply click the star icon again, and the file will be removed from the starred list. And that's all there is to it. Now you know how to efficiently star files in Google Drive using your Google Workspace for Business account. It's a quick and effective way to stay organized and keep your most important resources close at hand. If this tutorial helped you, be sure to check out our other guides for more tips that can improve your workflow and boost your productivity. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.